What me and my little friend here did today was made a margarita for National Margarita Day.
Oh yeah.
If you like margaritas, you should check it out.
I love margaritas.
Yeah, the little guy loves margaritas.
Welcome to Combat Cocktails. I'm Derek. That's Ian. Welcome to National Margarita Day.
Arriba!
Arriba.
Really?
This video goes out on National Margarita Day. I gotta scroll up to figure out what day
Feliz
it is.
Hoy de Margarita.
Today is, wait, what? Hoy.
Happy day of the Margarita.
All right, Dias de Muertos.
Oh,
All right, $2. Ready? Boom! On this channel, I can't hear how this here now. On this channel, you're gonna learn how to become a better home bartender, done in a casual style with probably a little bit of yelling, because that's what we do here. What you're gonna need to do is like and subscribe to this channel and this show so that you get more content in your inbox. Click the little alarm button or whatever it is, the doorbell. What was that show? That movie? Ding, 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 ding. Angels, rings, something like that.
It's a Wonderful Life.
Wonderful life.
You brought my mind somewhere.
way back for that.
You brought me dirty there
Oh
somewhere.
wait, you have more stuff.
Euros. Oh, one!
Talking about ringing the doorbell.
Oh, doorbell's ringing!
Different picture to mind.
My doorbell is ringing. So, today for National Margarita Day, we're going to create for you the Grapefruit and Chilli Margarita. Oh. All right.
And that is donations in the live stream if you're watching.
Yeah, if you're watching on the real stream, which is just the internet, what happens is in the live stream, when people use Super Chat and they donate $5, I get a high five from Ian.
For every $5. For
every $5. The problem is, Ian high fives like a fucking UFC fighter, so it's dangerous. Shit breaks. Like fingers. So, our executive producer for this is Justin Waterhouse. You can go to patreon.com/CMC
Challenge, Arian.
to learn
figure where it's going to come out.
to become a patron. If you're not a big Patreon fan, you can always go to everydaydrinkers.com/tip and send a one-time donation via PayPal. Right through there, credit cards accepted, all that stuff.
Always a challenge. Where is it coming out?
What? So,
He's going to split the stream. Is it just one? You never know.
don't you hate when you wake up in the morning, you go to pee and it goes sideways?
I was like alluding to that without actually saying it. But
Yeah, but thanks for driving it home.
All right.
you're supposed to pee after sex. That helps.
I know, but you have to take yourself to pee after sex.
Okay, do what you got to do, man. I'm not judging. I'm just saying.
Right, so, there's a question today in there someplace. Wait for it. This recipe is 1.5 ounces tequila. I can't even keep myself serious.
You're supposed to ask about something.
I am. Yes. 1 ounce of fresh grapefruit juice, a 1/2 ounce of chili simple syrup, 1/4 ounce, fuck you! 1/4 ounce of fresh lime juice. Go. No. There's no punching in the face. I just get lots of claps. So, a few things. Question of the day.
For 1,000.
Should we, in February, March, should we do like one shooter a month? Because we stopped Sunday Night Shooters like a year ago. Do you guys think we should go back and do at least one cocktail shooter a month, a shot, whatever? You can let me know in the comments below. Next thing I was going to mention, it was something important, but I'll think about it. Oh, so the chili, I'll explain to you what we have here. This is a...
Wash line, motherfucker.
A chili simple syrup that I made. It's a real simple recipe. I'm going to tell you what it is. You ready for this?
Tell like it is.
It's 8 ounces of demerara sugar. So that's a cup of demerara sugar. 1/2 cup of simple syrup. And then, that's not right. 1/2 cup of water. And then a sliced jalapeno. So what you do is you make simple syrup like you normally would, right? Demerara, only it's a rich simple syrup because it's 2 to 1, right? So you're going to put the sugar in the water. You're going to get it to a boil. Just when it starts to clear out, you're going to put in all your slices of jalapeno. You're going to simmer that sucker for 3 minutes. Then you're going to take it off the heat, put it on the side, and let it simmer or let it sit for about 20 minutes to infuse. Then you're going to strain it all out with like a cheesecloth or whatever, and then boom, you've got yourself simple syrup.
Also, something to point out if you want to get anal about the
I
sugar-water
love that.
ratio.
Oh wait,
you do it by weight and not by volume.
Oh fuck that! I can't do that.
I do it by volume.
I do it by weight sometimes, but only when I'm like super anal.
Well, I have a little scale I use just for that.
Yeah,
stuff.
I had one, but Jennifer took it. Her scale broke.
My scale broke. I have to feed the dog.
So, as an update, you can go to awesomericks.com.
We all got to feed the dog.
Right. And you can go to awesomericks.com to get coupe glasses, to get bartender starter kits. We also started selling these Owl and Whale cherry bitters, which are actually made with bourbon. And we also have Owl and Whale hot pepper bitters. If you want more spicy stuff for this, like in this type of drink, I don't think I have hot pepper in here, do I?
What does that taste like, did you say?
No, I haven't yet.
Drink it.
I did.
Are these all open?
Tell us what
Yeah.
Tell us what it tastes like.
This drink
I tried
tastes
it, it's
like...
good.
Tastes like green pepper. Okay, so here's the problem. I don't taste jalapeno anymore.
I'm not gonna taste it again.
What the fuck did you just put in your mouth?
The persimmon bitters.
Oh, how's that taste?
It's not bad. It's just
How's
strong.
persimmon? It doesn't. It's not as
Pokemon's
spicy.
cousin.
Oh, makes sense. It's not spicy to me. This is kind of supposed to have a spice. Now, I think it's spicy to people who don't eat as spicy food as I probably do.
Would find that spicy.
I think.
I don't think it's bad. I think it's good. And I think
Do you get any spice?
No, but you get the jalapeno flavor.
You get the
which is
jalapeno
nice.
flavor, but I'm not getting the heat.
No.
Now,
There's a little bit. I mean,
I
I don't eat crazy hot foods.
Right.
But I like
That's
spicy
what-
foods.
But you like the spicy food. I just was like I had my daughter try the simple syrup and she like flipped out on me like all crazy.
Yeah, but she's drama.
But she's drama, and she said, "Oh, that's hot." Blah blah blah. It tastes like
And she
sweet
can
green
only do
peppers.
sweet barbecue at
Right. She does the.
Buffalo Wild
If you go to
Wings.
Buffalo Wild Wings, you have to get
I don't trust her opinion.
the
No.
coldest one there. Like it can't have any spice at all.
I had a habanero mango the other day.
They're good, right?
I don't know.
They are very tasty, but they're hot.
They're hot, yeah. Sometimes I don't get the hot stuff just because I want wings. I just want to eat wings.
Yeah.
I don't
No.
know. I'm not trying to challenge myself.
I'm not trying to challenge myself. The problem is I like the high.
Yeah.
Like I like the.
Well, you're a high energy person.
I don't know if that's the same thing. But the problem is now that I eat really hot stuff, I don't get heat out of this.
Oh, so you've ruined it
want
for
to.
yourself.
Ruined it.
Yeah,
No,
so
I
you
just-
have to,
no, I
you
have
have
to
to
go
stop
up.
eating really spicy stuff.
No,
to be able
I
to
need to-
appreciate the subtle spice.
No, no.
The jalapeno doesn't do it for him. He needs to take it.
I just need to go up a notch. If this was habanero, I'd be fine. Like that time I made that habanero infused margarita.
Yeah, that was.
When Dan was here and we made an habanero infused margarita, and he was like, "Wow, it's fucking hot," because I infused it for like 4 hours instead of 20 minutes.
What's the hottest you do at Buffalo Wild Wings?
I don't know. I don't know what the scale is. Mango habanero is not the hottest. There's two above it.
There's,
Yeah,
there's
wild
two
and,
above it.
blazing.
Wild
Yeah, I've had the wild before. I've never done the blazing.
Oh, you haven't done the blazing.
Yeah. Well, I don't want him to come out and do that challenge thing. I'm like,
Well,
I don't wanna-
even Derek did the
Sorry.
blazing, but
They ordered them by
it
accident.
was earthy.
Yeah, but we
Like,
got
they
blazing
didn't-
last week because they gave it to us by accident.
Right? No, wild. They gave you
Oh,
wild
yeah.
by accident. Yeah.
This doesn't have as much spice as I'd like. But I like the green pepper flavor mixed with the grapefruit. Big fan.
yeah, it's good.
And it's a little sweeter than I would expect.
Oh, it burns so good when it comes out.
Oh yeah, blow my asshole right in the opposite direction.
Love a good fiery poop.
Yeah, it's like it feels like it cleans you right out. So, what you need to do now? You can go to Awesome Drinks, like I said, and you can check out Owl and Whale. I'm thinking of carrying the acid phosphate eventually but I want to be able to use them a little bit. It's the core ingredient for like Coke, so Coca-Cola, the drink.
Oh, okay.
Not fucking
I know.
crack.
I'm joking with you. I knew you would jump up at the mention of 50.
Oh, yeah, well, age doesn't bother me because I'm fucking sexy.
Age is just a number. Watch Tom versus Time, all you haters. Age is just a number.
I don't know.
If you really like the
This
Patriots,
is what I'm
watch
doing.
Tom versus Time.
Plant the seed,
It's Facebook's new to drive you to their streaming thing.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't know what you guys talk about. But
Seriously?
no, but
Big
I'll
Patriots
ask you-
fan over here.
Yeah.
I don't know what they do. Patriots fan has something to do with your fucking inside jokes. We'll talk about that in a minute.
Oh, these
Sidebar.
inside jokes about Tom Brady and the Patriots.
Sidebar for more videos. Check out learn.awesomedrinks.com. I really wish I mentioned this at the beginning of the episode. For more on tutorials for cocktail creation. I feel a little burn actually happening up here. In my
You know what? When I
lips.
lean forward like this, you look really small when you stand back.
And
It's like the Hobbit thing.
down below,
Sports perspective.
Yeah.
links to awesomedrinks.com where you can buy bartender starter kit and all kinds of other cool stuff. That's it. Thanks for watching. We're teaching you how to drink.